Little Blue Truck's Halloween, written by Alice Sherdahl, illustrated by Jill McElmurray. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too. Flip the page. What's that in a tutu striking pose up on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see? Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me. Turn the page. Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes?
It's you.
Under the mask, who do you see?
You.
Bah, says the sheep. It's me, it's me.
It's the geese. They're coming to haunt me. The geese.
Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see?
They're mulberries. You can't me.
Moo, says the cow. It's me, it's me. Flip the page. What scraggly hair, what funny teeth, who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? Oink, says the pig. It's me, it's me. Page. A dragon's head and dragon's wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Nay, says the horse. It's me, it's me.
Nay. Ow. She's got my hair stuck in the thing.
Croak, says the
It's the
toad.
whirly.
There's one more. Has anyone seen this ghost before?
The whirly.
Off comes a sheet. It's you know who. Little Blue Truck says beep beep boo. The end.